What's up, folks? Danny here with another quick video, and today I have an unboxing video. Pretty excited. Today I am unboxing my wife's new firearm, and she actually already opened it up and looked at it, but I'm gonna do it for you guys now. So here we go. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? All right. Yep, I bet you can guess. In my opinion, this was the best firearm made in 2024. This is the Bodyguard 2.0. And before we start, I will show you. There's no rounds. No rounds. Empty. It's empty. All right, let's look at that trigger, guys. Everybody wants to know the trigger, so let's do it right away. It's got a little bit of a uptake there before you hit a wall, and then nice crisp break. Quick wall. Very nice trigger for a striker fired 380. This is a get off me gun, which basically means you're not going to be like trying to hit bullseyes or anything with this, although if you could get good enough and you can hit bullseyes, but that's not what this tool is for. This tool is specifically made to quickly pull out and, you know, take care of business real fast if the bad guys are trying to get you. So yeah, so this is basically my wife's new carry firearm. She had a Micro 9, what was it called? A Kimber Micro 9 before, and it's not that she didn't like it, but it just was a little heavy, a little cumbersome for her. She's a small girl, and you know, she wanted something a little smaller. I will say right away that the grip, even though it's a small gun, with the 12+1, you get like a nice grip on this thing. You can see my index finger makes it pretty much all the way to the front. So pretty close to being able to shoot my finger off there, but luckily my fingers aren't super duper long. The sights, pretty nice. Can't really, it's not focusing on that. Maybe I can do this. There we go. Yeah, it's not really working. Oh well. Anyway, we got a little orange dot up there, and then it's black in the back, and it is, you know, it's got some serrations in there, so, you know, it gives you less of a glare. We have up here, we have what I think should actually go on all guns now, a nice little thumb ledge for when you got your hand there. It's also here too, and you know, you could use that spot too, depending on where, you know, how big your hands are, how big your grip is. These serrations on top I really like. I think they look nice. They're really deep and aggressive, and you can get a good grip. Obviously there's no, you know, it's not cut for an optic, but like I said earlier, this is a get off me gun. You're not going to be using an optic on a gun like this. There literally is no point. I mean, there is a point, I guess, if you're trying to be super accurate and stuff. You know, if you're James Bond, if James Bond was American and he was, you know, around today, he might be using this 380, Bodyguard 380 by Smith & Wesson. This gun's kind of revolutionary. It has, for a 380 and for being so small, but also having like a really good grip, like almost a full grip. No 380 has 12+1 capacity, and then this is the 10+1. Let's see. Yeah, so I mean, even with the 10+1, I mean, I'm not gonna get a whole hand on there, but my wife will have no problem getting a nice grip on this gun. and she requested to have the safety. It's kind of cool that it's ambidextrous as well, so you know, when she pulls it out, depending on if she's wearing, like, has it, you know, in her purse or on her body, or you know, however she chooses to carry it that day, she could grab it out with either hand and, you know, get the safety off. The safety, I have heard people say that, you know, the safety is kind of hard to manipulate. Well, pushing it down isn't hard to manipulate. Pushing it up is, and that's what you want. You don't want it to be easy to push up, because when you're shooting it, you don't want it to accidentally pop up and screw with you while you're shooting. But when you're pulling it out of your holster, you want to be able to slap it off real fast, real easy. Now, it's not like it is a little stiff right now, but it's not that stiff. And it will get better over time. The slide catch is a little stiff. I mean, the slide is a little stiff right now, but that's just because it's a brand new gun. That's just how it is with a new gun. You're gonna have a little bit of stiffness at first, but as it gets broken in, you know, dry firing and just taking it to the range and putting rounds through it, it's gonna get loosened up, and it's gonna be a nice gun, and hopefully my wife really likes this one. But anyway, yeah, I guess I'll go through what else is in the box, because it is an unboxing. You have this lock, which really is pretty much pointless in my eyes. I don't use them. I just keep them in my safe or on me, so I don't need that. We have the owner's manual. Got some stickers. Kind of cool. That's pretty much it. Just the box. Yeah. So just really all it really comes with is the box, or the gun, and the 2 magazines, the 12 and the 10, and that's all you get. You get the owner's manual and some stickers, and you get this stupid lock that nobody really needs. No one uses them. Yeah, and that's about it. But you're not paying for the box. I guess you get this orange flag too for your gun, but again, it's something people don't use. Real gun owners typically don't use those things unless they're like just, I don't know, really. I don't know. But anyway, yeah. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously I'm gonna do more videos with this gun. I'll keep you up to date on what my wife thinks. I showed it to her already. She loves it. Thank you so much for watching. If you are still with me, hit that subscribe button, and you know, we'll see each other again. Thanks for watching.